In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Office 365 on your PC. Whether you need Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or any of the other Office apps, I've got you covered. Before we get started, you can support me through Buy Me a Coffee service. The link to my Buy Me a Coffee profile is in the description below this video. Office 365, now known as Microsoft 365, offers a suite of powerful tools for both work and home. You'll get access to apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and OneDrive, all with regular updates and cloud integration. First, you'll need to sign up for an Office 365 subscription if you haven't already. Head over to the official Microsoft 365 website, office.com, into your web browser. On the homepage, click Sign In if you already have an account, or Sign Up for free if you need to create one. If you're signing up, you need to create a Microsoft account and choose your subscription plan. There's a variety of plans available, including options for personal, family, and business use. Choose the plan that best fits your needs. Microsoft offers a free trial, so you can try out Office 365 before committing. Once you're signed in, it's time to download the Office 365 apps to your PC. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Microsoft 365 dashboard. Here, click on Install Apps at the top right of the screen. Select Language and Version from the drop-down menu. This will download the setup file for the entire Office suite. The setup file is relatively small, so it should only take a minute or two to download depending on your internet speed. Now let's install Office 365. Locate the downloaded setup file in your browser's Downloads section or your computer's Downloads folder, and double-click it to start the installation. A user account control prompt might appear. Just click Yes to allow the installation. Office will now start installing in the background. You can continue to use your PC while it installs, but make sure to keep an eye on the progress. The installation process might take a few minutes, depending on your system. Once it's done, you'll get a notification saying that Office is ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded, installed, and activated Office 365 on your PC. Now you can start using all the great tools it offers, from Word and Excel to PowerPoint and more. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future tech tutorials. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.